How to change audio speed in Audacity. To begin, I imported an audio. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Click on this button to select it. Now go to Effect, Pitch and Tempo and select Change Speed and Pitch. Move this handle to the left or enter a negative value to decrease the audio speed and deepen the audio.
Audacity is a great app for editing audio.
Move the handle to a positive value to increase audio speed and have a higher pitch audio.
Audacity is a great app for editing audio.
Now from Effect menu, Pitch and Tempo, select Change Tempo. Decrease this value to a negative value if you only want to decrease the audio speed without changing audio pitch. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Don't use another value here. If you are not happy with the result and you want to increase audio speed, close this window and reopen it. Use a positive value to increase audio speed without changing audio pitch. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. You also can select the audio, right-click on it, and select Change Speed. Here put a value you want and click OK. This option works like Change Tempo effect, which changes the speed and not the pitch. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. You also can move the mouse cursor at the end of the audio in the top right corner until you see this icon. Then just drag to the right or left to decrease or increase audio speed without changing audio pitch. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.